Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you some friend mail. Alright guys, I was not expecting this. I had no idea this was coming. It just showed up at my house, and I was like, what is this? And then I saw who it was from, so I knew I needed to do a video and open it up on camera. So without further ado, let's check out this mail. Okay guys, so here's my package. This came from Mary, and her channel is called Mary Catherine Loves Cats. If you guys haven't seen her channel yet, please make sure that you jump over and check her out right after you're done watching this video. She is an incredibly sweet woman, and I just love watching her videos. She is super genuine, and I just enjoy watching her, and I'm sure that you guys will too. So make sure that you check her out right after you're done watching this video. I will have her linked in the description box below. This was a pleasant surprise, guys. I was not expecting anything from her, so I have no idea what she sent to me. I did cut the top open, but I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to show you the front. Of course, I covered with my lovely duct tape here all of my address information, but she has this she put on here. This is my stuff. This is a super cute cat little sticker that she stuck on there, and she has a really cute one on the back. That is just so adorable. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, let's open this up. I have no idea what's in here. Okay. Make sure I didn't miss anything. So we have a card. Here we go, right here. So super cute. It says, thankful. Aw. Oh, we have a prayer card too. Oh, today's prayer. Let me show you that side of it right there, and I will read this to you. It says, let us fix our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith, Hebrews 12:2. So let me show you the back of that. That is beautiful. I do love getting these. I have gotten one from Lois. Her channel is called Life with Lois's, and I think Mary sent me one also before too, and I keep them all together, and I like getting stuff like this. This is super sweet. All right, let's set that aside. And thankful, it says on the front of the card here. And then she has some super cute stickers on the back. Let's open it up, guys. Let's see what she's got going on in here. Okay. Oh, she's got her own little cards. That's super cute. It says, Dear Amber, you are so special, and I wanted you to have something just for you. Love, Mary. Hugs to Noah. Oh, Mary. Oh, that is so sweet. Let me show you guys her cards. Look at that. She's got the Mary Catherine Loves Cats at the top of her cards there. So super sweet. Wow, Mary. Okay, I will definitely give the hugs to little Noah for you. And here is what I'm seeing. So I have no idea what's going to happen. She did such a cute job. I love the tool. I'll reuse the tool for sure, for sure. All right, let's open it up, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. It's not from Jean, from Jean's Junk, so I don't think I'm going to get an explosion. I don't have to be prepared. Okay. Ooh. Uh-oh. What is in here, guys? What is in here? Let's see. I think it opens this way. Oh! It's personalized. It looks like it's a very expensive pen because it has one of those coverings on the top of it. Oh, how nice. This is so nice. What do I do with this? Are these refills? Oh, they are the refills. Ah! This is so beautiful. Amber's DIY, Amber Meeks. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't even want to use it. Okay, guys, let me zoom in here. I hope that you guys are going to see this. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. How thoughtful. And then if I flip it over, it has my name right there. Amber Meeks. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Mary. Oh, thank you so much. This is so sweet. I should try it out though, huh? I don't want to because, like I said, should I even use it? But it has one of those coverings on it because, you know, it's a really nice pen. I guess that's how you do this. I don't know. I don't buy expensive pens. I buy shoes, but I don't buy expensive shoes either. So I have a piece of paper here. Oh, yes. ma'am. You guys want to see my signature? It's hysterical, but I will show it to you. Oh, this writes like butter. There's my signature. Yes, that is my legal signature on all of my stuff, you know, driver's license, all of that fun stuff. Yeah, that's how I sign my name. Awesome, right? Looks like an EKG. Mary, I love this. This is awesome. Thank you so much. How sweet. I love it. I'm definitely keeping it in its little case. Awesome. Thank you so much. Again, guys, if you have not checked out Mary's channel, please make sure that you check her out after you watch this video. I have her linked in the description box below. You won't regret it. Thanks again, Mary, for sending me such a beautiful gift. I will definitely give hugs to Noah for you, and I appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. Yeah, looks like her hair is messed up as usual. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY. Why is this? I'm missing this. This is Amber's. All right, try it again. Okay, guys, so. Wow. That went well. Okay, guys, so. Here's my package. This is from Mary, and her channel is called Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I have hair in my mouth. Awesome. Try it again.